Hi, Lori.
Hi, welcome to Michigan Pharmacology. Did you know that the Department of Pharmacology at the University of Michigan is the original Department of Pharmacology in the United States? Due to our long history, we've trained more PhDs than any other institution in our country, and we've placed our graduates in positions of leadership in the pharmaceutical industry. They're chief scientific officers and other executives in big pharma. They are chairs and leaders in academic medical centers, and they are public policy makers in government. Our department currently has 24 training faculty and about 70 graduate students at all levels of PhD training. As we continue to grow our community at Michigan Pharmacology, we're invested in diversity, equity, and inclusion, and committed to serving as a resource and learning platform for our trainees, our staff, and our faculty members to ensure that all members of our community feel welcomed as essential participants in our overall academic, research, teaching, and service missions. The University of Michigan is arguably has the greatest breadth of research expertise in the world, and we are definitely the most collaborative research institution that I know of. Here at Michigan Medicine, we are amongst the top NIH-funded institutions in the United States.
Hi, my name is Alberto Perez Medina. I'm actually a postdoc fellow at Dr. William Bursong Lab here at Pharmacology Department at U of M. So the kind of work that we do here in the Bursong Lab is mainly focused on trying to understand the mechanisms of which acute or chronic treatments of opioids affects specific circuits in the central nervous system that are involved in opioid addiction.
Hi, my name is Erwin, and I'm a postdoc in the Bursong Lab. In our lab, we study the effect of opioid drugs and the activity of pain and reward circuits.
Hi, my name is Kelsey Kochan. I'm a third year in John Trainer's lab, and our lab focuses on finding alternative strategies for pain management in order to alleviate the need for systemic opioid use and eventually alleviate the need for opioids in general.
Hi everyone, my name is Chiamaka and I'm a PhD candidate in the Jones Lab, and we study ways to correct disrupted heart function by targeting ion channels in the heart that are responsible for maintaining a healthy heartbeat.
Hello, my name is Francisco Sanchez. I'm a second year student in the lab of David K. Jones, and I study the electrical interplay between the heart and the brain.
Hi everyone, I'm James Tuber. I'm a first year, which means I'm still rotating through labs. My research interests are cardiovascular pharmacology, and I'm enjoying everything so far.
Hi there, I'm Tyler, and this is the Smrka Laboratory. And in the Smrka Laboratory, we study signaling from the large and vast class of receptors called G-protein coupled receptors, or GPCRs. These are coupled to G proteins on the inside of the cell, and these G proteins transduce any signals that come through this receptor into various cellular targets and transduce the signals to the rest of the cell to result in a bunch of physiological functions. So basically in the Smrka Lab we use biochemistry, chemical biology, and biophysics to elucidate the different roles of G proteins and their associated signaling partners on cell signaling, pharmacology, and even physiology and behavior in some animal models.
Hi everyone, my name is Juan Valentin Goico. I'm a third year PhD candidate in the pharmacology department, and I work in the lab of Dr. Richard Aukus. In the Aukus lab, we work on studying the biochemical properties of P450 enzymes involved in steroid production.
As the Educational Program Manager in Pharmacology, my role covers everything from answering application questions before you've applied to your graduation and on to your participation as one of our alumni mentors. One of the things I most appreciate about the department is their investment in students, in academics and research of course, but also as individuals with unique interests and strengths. For every student that enters our program, our end goal is that we do everything we can to help them be successful in whatever they choose to do. To help them develop and become more confident in their communication skills, our students created an F31 proposal with direct feedback from our faculty. They presented our student-run Chalk Talk, Every year, students receive individual coaching and feedback and give a department-wide seminar. They participate in the annual Pharmacology Colloquium, which brings 5 schools together, and the Pharmacological Sciences Symposium, planned each year by our students. They also have many opportunities to develop their leadership and organizational skills. They fully plan multiple symposiums, our annual career day, and multiple outreach programs and events. They also serve on multiple departmental committees, voicing the student perspective in pivotal decisions. With a great variety of career interests, our students participate in programs like My Lead, where they consult on actual projects. They select invited speakers, plan a career day, serve as peer mentors to our first and second year students. They also participate in our alumni steering event, and very soon they will have the opportunity to have an alumni mentor. Beyond all of this, our students are actively involved in clubs. Many they have created themselves, and extensive outreach with groups throughout the community. At the end of the day, the most important thing to know about the pharmacology community is that they are considerate and thoughtful people. Faculty, staff, and especially our students care about the success of one another. I can't count the number of times they volunteer to help run through talks or prelim exams, how often they give their time and energy to each other and the department. The best part of my job is listening to and helping our students. I am truly grateful to be able to serve them as a part and be a part of this community.
Students are really important to me. Our trainees are really close to my heart. And before becoming chair of pharmacology at Michigan Medicine, I served for 6 years as director of the program in biomedical sciences. So graduate education is in my soul. It is one of the top priorities in my department at Michigan Medicine. Join us at Michigan Pharmacology.